Hey, everybody. So it's Eran here. Just wanted to say thanks a lot for coming to my webinar here. So this is actually a recording that I'm doing, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take you through how to start an internet business completely for free, okay? I'm going to give you a couple of options in terms of things that you could pay for if you want additional training and so on at the end of this webinar. Totally up to you, but you'll get great value in terms of how you can actually get started totally free starting today. And I'll give you a couple of examples just to give you an idea on how things work, okay? So I'm going to go, and this will be very quickly. It won't go for more than 10 minutes. I'll be very straight up, simple, practical, okay? So let's give you here. Give me one moment. Okay, so we're going to go to a platform called ClickBank, okay? Now, ClickBank is an online retailer, okay? And this platform is very simple. It basically allows you, oh, sorry, I clicked the wrong button. This platform allows you to basically find digital products that you can actually promote and make money online. It's completely for free to sign up. And I'm going to give you a link on how you can sign up for this platform. I don't get anything for it. There's no percentage for me referring you. There's nothing. Okay, I'll just give you the link at the bottom of this webinar, okay, so you can do that. So I'm going to show you a simplicity of how you can sign up, okay? So you sign up and you'll see there's different offers. There's arts and entertainment. There is as seen on TV, betting systems, business and investing. There's all sorts of things that you can do, okay? I'll give you an example. You can actually browse for this yourself and see it, okay? You can, there's, courses and different things on self-help, parenting, languages, learning languages, software and services, spirituality, and so on, okay? Now, I'm going to show you an example of something. Now understand something here, okay? The product I'm going to show you, I'm just showing you this because it's an example. This is not something I believe in. It's not something I'm promoting to you to get involved in. I'm just showing you an example of how people are making money. So let's go to my Instagram account, okay? So this is my Instagram account. Now, I'm going to look for hashtag numerology. There you go. Now, let's click something that's to do with numerology. So let's say, be patient, everything comes to you in the right moment, okay? Now, let's go to their Instagram account. Now, you'll see here, bit.ly/free numerology report. We're going to click it. It's going to open up a new tab. Okay. Now let me show you what it does, okay? Here's a page, okay? Now you can enter your name and your month and date. Somebody's interested. Oh, yeah, I'm interested in my free numerology report, okay? So let's say my name is Joe, whatever, March 2 and 1950. Good enough, okay? Start. Now look at what happens. I'll just play it for about 30 seconds.
Hi, Joe. Thanks for requesting your free numerology reading here at numerologist.com. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a quick yet deeply revealing analysis of your unique numerology.
Good. So now it's going to go through all this, okay? And then he will basically take the person through and indicate some things about their life and blah, blah, blah. I'm not a believer in any of that stuff, but it doesn't matter. Now, let me show you something. Let's type here numerology on find products. Okay, and this is I'm back with ClickBank, right? Let's see what we come up with. Let's see. Or numerologist. Numerologist. No, hang on. I'm just finding that particular offer. Oh, yeah, there you go. I think that's that one. Yeah. So numerologist.com, fully customized, blah, blah, blah. Now, how this works is very simple. You click the button promote. Now, you're not going to see, because I'm not sharing that particular screen, but see if I can share it with you. It's too complicated. Don't worry about it. You're not seeing the screen, but basically I'm just going to click create, and then it will give me a link, and I'll show you what the link looks like, because I'll show it to you now. I'll open up a new tab. Now look at the link that I included here. So this is the link. It's kind of ugly, okay? But if I click enter, look at where it takes me. Just give it a minute here. I've got so many tabs open. It's going to take a second. There you go. It's going to take me to the numerologist website, okay? Now, what I've just used, you'll see there's no trace of this thing except for, just there is here. You see 23 EBC? That's my affiliate ID. That's the identification that it's my link. See here, if you see my account, I don't know if you can see it, but oh yeah, there you go. This is just my username, okay? So that's how I know. So if I give that someone is going to go through this funnel now, then I might get a commission on this, okay? Now, this is how this works. It's very simple. This person has 4,160 followers, and he posts. So he's been posting. I mean, it's a lot of posts, right? So I'm not going to scroll all the way down. But you see all these posts. What if life is a dream? Judge me, blah, blah, blah. Healing energy being sent to you. Whatever, okay? All these quotes, okay? There's no face to it. There's no nothing. You don't have to put your face to it. There's not even a name. There's nothing, okay? But this person, when somebody goes here and clicks it, they go ahead and do this. Now, as it progresses, okay, what will happen at some point, they're actually going to be asked to pay. Now, how do I know that? Let me show you. You can go and always find the affiliate page right here. So we're going to copy it. We're going to open it, okay? It's going to take us to the affiliate page. And there you go. Excuse me. It says join now. This is what you should promote. And it tells you about all the reasons why you should promote it. And I think I already have access. So anyway, there's another page. Once you sign up, it will actually take you to another page. Hang on. Anyway, there'll be somewhere. Okay, so 65% payout, okay? Now, 65% payout, I'll show you. So in this case, it's $30.25. Now, I can tell you the first purchase from Recall is actually $37. So what does that mean? That means that really you're looking at more than that. But anyway, this is a high percentage basically. So you get a commission. This is how much you will get commission if somebody decides to buy the big report basically. Oh yeah, there you go. Initial sale, $25. So this is 65%. So this is correct. So $25.17 on the $37 purchase. Okay. And then there is that's what they sell. So they sell this free report. Okay, you get some first introduction. I'm gonna leave the link below this webinar. So what you can do, you can actually get your own free numerologist report or whatever, just so you can see what the funnels look like. Okay. Now, how do you take this ugly link that I was showing you, right? You have this super ugly link, right? How do you take this and make it pretty like this, right? How do you make it like that? So you go to a website called Bitly, okay? It's totally free, doesn't cost anything, and all you do is very simple. You literally go to create, you paste the link, you click create, and that's it. Here you go. right? Now you can customize it. So they customized it, right, to obviously free numerology report, okay? Now I can customize it differently. I can customize it and say new demo webinar, right? Doesn't matter really. Save, bit.ly has been edited. I can copy it, and then let's open it, and let's see what it looks like. So this is the link, demo webinar ClickBank. Click enter. And there you go. Takes me straight to the website, okay? So you can edit it as much as you like, however you like it, doesn't really matter. And that's the simplicity of it, okay? Now, it's really important that you understand this is, everything I'm giving you is totally free tools. I'm gonna leave the links below for every little piece I've just showed you so you can go through it again. Now, the reason I'm not doing this also like live, I want you to be able to rewatch this video. If you wanna go through it again, absolutely no problem, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is you can now realize there's other things you can, it doesn't have to be this, right? It could be, you can get health, something to do with health. And you could find something, okay, there you go, something about dog training. I don't know. Dental health. I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, there you go. So you can click this link. Oh, by the way, you can also always click the link to see what it is, right? So here you go, it's gonna open it. There you go, this is their website of, you know, Stop Tooth Decay or whatever. And it's a sales page, okay? There you go.
Have you or a loved one had tooth decay or gum disease? If so,
there you go. So this is a product for tooth decay or gum disease, okay? Now, you can literally open up an Instagram account, right? Totally free, and open a page about tooth decay. So let's see tooth decay. Let's see if someone has done it. Actually, I'm just curious. Tooth decay, there's 18,000 posts. Oh, yuck. Anyway, whatever. There you go. Somebody's selling something here. Let's see what they're selling. Clips for sale. I have no idea what this is. Oh, well, doesn't matter. Point is, you know, look at that stuff. Weird stuff. Weird people. Anyway, point is that you can pretty much find anything that you want, okay? You can just sign up, open an account on Instagram, call it numerology, call it tooth decay, call it whatever you like, okay? And then go to ClickBank right here, find things that you believe in, things that you like. Maybe you're into green products, okay? Maybe you're into languages. Maybe you speak Spanish and you wanna get people to learn how to speak Spanish. So sign language, okay? There's obviously something about sign language, I guess. There you go, Spanish courses, how to learn Spanish. Learning Spanish like crazy, right? Let's see, what else is there? Sign language. See if somebody wants to learn the sign language. Is this a sign language course? I think it might be. Let's look. There you go. This is a sign language course, right? Halloween discounts. There you go. Somebody can literally learn sign language online. Let's look at the pricing. Online access, $39 or $10 for 6 months. There you go. You can literally buy and learn sign language. So if you're interested in that, you can actually do that, okay? You can literally type pretty much anything here, find it, and so on. Now, you don't want to just pick any little thing, okay? You really, really don't, because there is literally thousands and thousands and thousands of products, okay? thousands. I mean, there's so many products, it's ridiculous. Now, if you're gonna try and figure all this out on your own, that's good on you. Go for it, okay? What I would suggest to you is you get a product called ClickBank University, okay? And I think it's a $47 course, and this is the official course that teaches you how to sell using ClickBank, okay? It's this one, okay? Now, I'm going to leave a link below if you want to check it out. You don't have to buy, but just check out the link, okay? Now, my sole request, I'm giving you all this knowledge and information for free. I've got one simple request, okay? If you're going to buy anything, if you're going to like anything from ClickBank or whatever, please let me know so I can give you my affiliate link and I will get credit for it. That's how I'll make money. I'm not selling you a course here. I'm just giving you literally a free tips on how to start an internet business completely for free, okay? With all the links below. I will leave you the links to Bitly, how to set up this link. I'll leave you a link for ClickBank so you can register and open an account. And you can also rewatch this video if you want to go through it as well, play around with it. And I'll leave you the link for ClickBank University. If you don't mind, go ahead and check out what they're offering. I think it's $47 a month. I think it's a 2 to 3 months course. So you're looking at about $100, $150 overall to be able to get through this entire course, unless you go through it faster. And it will teach you everything you need to know, because you see there's things here like, what does those filters mean? These filters are really important for you to understand so you can pick the right products, okay? There is different aspects of what this means. The trials, the recurring, the one-time, all these things have a reason for them, and you want to understand them so you can choose. And also, there is other aspects here on the statistics and how to register and how to do different things, okay? Which I'm not gonna get into it. ClickBank University does an amazing job teaching all of that, okay? So look, hope this has been helpful for you, and go ahead and dive in. Check out the links that I leave below, and enjoy. Get started. Find something that you like, that you're happy to promote. Actually, one other thing I will say, I'll give you an example. If you're going to pick a niche, for example, like tooth decay or sign language, realize that building an Instagram account is going to take you, it's going to take a while to build, okay? It really will. So you want to know what you're doing. Otherwise, you really will be building an Instagram account forever. And are you going to get any sales? I'm not sure. Do you know what I mean? You want to be more strategic because it does take a long time. But it's a free way to do it. Now, it doesn't have to be Instagram. It can be Pinterest. It can be Twitter. It can be Reddit. It can be any of these free social media tools, okay? So hope that helps. Maybe you'll find different things here that you like and you can make use of. Hope this has been helpful. I promise I'll keep it short. Appreciate your time. If you have any questions, please email me, reach out to me. I'll really appreciate it. Again, all I ask in exchange is if you are going to buy anything, please let me know and use my affiliate link. That way I'll get credit for it. And that's about it. Okay, see you later and we'll be in touch. Bye.